Okay, math time again, guys. So for the past 3 days, we have done finding missing addends, right? We've learned about number bonds, or number families, using addition equations to find the answers to subtraction equations, using subtraction equations to find answers to addition equations, and finding missing addends in the meantime, right? Okay, so we're gonna just kind of go over everything that we've learned just to make sure that you guys are understanding how to do it. Okay, so this is something that you will be doing on the computer, okay? I'm just going to read it all to you, okay? Because I think there's 2 pages. 1, 2, yes, okay. So you guys are going to be doing this. Normally you do the green and I do the blue, but today you are going to be doing the blue also, okay? I'm going to read it to you because for some reason they decided to add some word problems in here. I don't like word problems just yet, huh? We like dealing just with numbers, right? But one thing about it, when you're doing word problems in math, you don't have to read every single word because sometimes it's hard for you to read those words. As long as you know what you are trying to find, what you are doing, and the numbers, then you can do anything, okay? Okay, it says show. Write a subtraction equation, then write an addition equation. Okay, so right here you can see that they gave us a number bond, didn't they? They have 8, 6, and 2. What we know about 8, 6, and 2 is 6 plus 2 equals 8. 2 plus 6 equals 8. 8 minus 6 equals 2. And 8 minus 2 equals 6. See how that all goes together? One big family, one big happy family. We have this part make the whole. This part and this part make the whole. We have this big old whole minus this part equals this part. Or this big whole minus this part equals that part, right? We know that because we are so smart. We are super smart first graders, right? Okay. So they want us to write a subtraction equation and an addition equation. Well, I just told you the answers, didn't I? You can remember what I said? I said this minus this equals this. So what are we going to put there? Yeah, what I just said, right? We're going to put 8 minus 6 equals 2. There we go. Well, we know that if 8 minus 6 equals 2, then what? If 8 minus 6 equals 2, then 2 plus 6 must equal 8, right? So we would say 2 plus 6 equals 8. Yes, it's exactly what we would do. Okay, number 2 says the reason. There are 8 cats. 5 are black. The rest are gray. How many are gray and how would you solve? How many cats are there altogether? There are 8 cats, right? So we know we have 8 cats altogether, okay? It says 5 are black and the rest are gray. Does it tell us how many are gray? No, it tells us there are 5 black. We have no idea how many are gray. All we know for sure is that we have 8 cats and that 5 are black and some are gray. Don't know. So what I would do is this. I'm going to draw a square or a rectangle. Okay, I know I have 8 cats. I also know that 5 are black. So I'm going to put 5 inside my box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the rest are gray. So what you have to do is you're going to count on to see how many are gray. If you have 5 black, okay, and we're going to count on up to 8 because we have 8 cats all together. We want to see how many are gray out of those 8 cats. We have 5 black. Let's count up to 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. That is how many are gray. And it says, let's see, does it say to write an equation? It doesn't, but I would like for you to. That way we would know exactly what we were doing. If 8 cats, we have 8 cats all together. So we could write, we have 8 cats all together, okay? We know that we have 5 that are black, and we also have how many that are gray, and right here is how many are gray. You'd put that number, this number right here, in that blank, okay? Right there. Okay, next it says, now explain something. So we did show it, we did a reason, and now we're explaining. There are 5 beads in all. 4 are on the table, the rest are in a cup. Oh no, here's Buzz. What is Buzz gonna say? Buzz says, there are 9 beads in the cup. Do you agree or not? Let me read it again. There are 5 beads in all. 5 beads in all. 4 are on the table. The rest are in a cup. Buzz says there are 9 beads in the cup. Do you agree? I'm not sure I agree with him. Do you? If there's 5 all together, then how can there be 9 inside the cup? There can't, can they? No. So you can either draw a cup, or you can draw a box. You can draw something to show how you know how many beads there are in all. Okay, I'm just going to draw a little, whoops. I'm going to draw a little box here. Okay. 5 beads in all. There's 4 on the table. So let's put the 4 on the table. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we're going to count up to get to how many we have in all. Right here it says in all. This many beads in all. How many in all? 5. 5 beads in all. 4 on the table. I'm going to add however many more to get up to 5. So let's count on. 4, 5. Are there 9 beads in the cup? No. No, there are not. So we're going to say no. And it says why or why not. Well, look. Go. Look at that. That's why. Here's the cup, right? So we have 4 on the table, 1 in the cup. Okay. Now it says show your work. Think about missing add-ins. Color some triangles red and some blue. Complete the number bond. Write a subtraction equation and an addition equation. So you are going to choose your numbers, okay? What they want you to do, you do not have to do what I do, okay? You choose whatever numbers you want to use, but it says you must write a subtraction equation and an addition equation. Color some red, some blue. So if I did this, if I did 1, 2, 3, red, 1, 2, 3, blue, right? Let's see. Okay, so I have 3 red and 3 blue. Okay, so my number bond, this does not have to be yours. My number bond is going to look like this, 3 and 3, because I have 3 of one color, 3 of another, and that makes the whole thing. Okay, so my equation is going to look like this. My whole number, which is 6, minus one of my parts, which is 3, equals the other part, which is 3. So I'm saying I have 6 triangles all together. I'm taking 3 red triangles away, so I have 3 blue triangles left, right? Okay, so then we also know if 6 minus 3 equals 3, then my 3 blue triangles plus my 3 red triangles must equal altogether 6 triangles, right? Perfect. Okay, now it says color a different number of triangles, use red and blue. So you're going to do the exact same thing, but you cannot use the same numbers that you did up here, okay? Think about the ways that you can make 6. You could say 6 plus 0 equals 6. You could say 5 and 1 equals 6. 4 and 2, 3 and 3, 2 and 4, 1 and 5, 0, 6, right? You are going to make up your own problems on these two, okay? And I think you guys are going to be able to do that fairly easy, okay? And guess what? That is all that you guys have to do today. Not much, is it? I think you guys can do it, okay? We'll see you guys later.